Let's crochet a keychain together. This super easy and fun project crochets up very quickly and is perfect for leftover yarn. All you need is some Friends Cotton 8/4, a crochet hook size BC or 2.5 millimeters, and a carabiner hook. You can find all the products in the description box, as well as a free printable version of this pattern. Feel free to adjust the length of your keychain, for example, make it shorter as I did with the pink one here. This one is made with Friends Cotton 8/8, and I've also linked the free pattern to that in the description box. Let's start by chaining 178. Afterwards, in the second chain from the hook, you have to work one single crochet, and that is exactly here. Afterwards, you're going to skip the next stitch. We will now work 5 half double crochet in the next stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull a loop, and yarn over again and pull the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. That was your first half double crochet. Please do 4 more into the same chain. Next up, we're going to skip 1 stitch and work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. This is followed by a sequence, which we are going to repeat until the end of our chain. We start by skipping 1 stitch, crochet 5 half double crochet into the next stitch, skip 1 more stitch, and work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. This was the sequence. Please repeat it until the end of the row. You will then end up with 44 shells. Now it's time to turn our project, and we're going to work on the back side of the starting chain. Start by working 1 single crochet in the same stitch that you worked the last single crochet. This is followed by a sequence that again we're going to crochet until the end of our chain. Skip 1 stitch, and then we crochet 5 half double crochet in the same space that you worked 5 double crochet on the previous side. So exactly here again. Skip 1 stitch again, and then we crochet 1 single crochet in the same space that you worked 1 single crochet on the previous side. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to mirror exactly what we did on the previous side. Repeat the steps of this sequence until you reach the end of the row. Here you're going to end with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. Let me show you how to assemble your keychain. Lay both ends of your keychain on top of each other, as I'm doing here, and crochet them together with 4 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn, and then work 1 row of single crochet, a total of 5 stitches. Repeat this row once more. Afterwards, cut the yarn and leave a long tail for sewing. Next up is our carabiner hook. Let me show you how to attach it. Fold the single crochet section around the keychain on the carabiner and sew it securely in place. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. And here you go! your keychain is ready to be used. Leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and tell us in the comment section in what color you are going to crochet your keychain. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy crocheting!